big mistake when dealing with skyrocketing electric bills is feeding the grid your hard-earned money and hoping rates magically drop. The real secret to $0 energy bills, especially when the grid keeps failing you, is to bypass their rigged meter and harvest unlimited power yourself. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this breakthrough method. This is your breaker box, your power center, and this is the utility line, the money drain that's bleeding you dry every single month. This is your wallet getting destroyed right here. We're going to discuss the hidden loophole between the grid and your home that the power companies pray you never discover. I'm getting up close so you can see exactly where this wire touches this meter. There's a massive inefficiency they built in on purpose, and this is where your savings are hiding. The grid system is like a bucket with giant holes punched through it. It's designed to waste your money. Imagine that bucket and you're pouring your paycheck into it, but it's got holes everywhere. That's exactly what paying the utility company feels like every month. Now here comes the inflation attack. Imagine someone took a knife and stabbed the hell out of your bank account, completely destroyed it. There are massive bleeding holes everywhere. Your savings are getting beaten to death. They're rough and shredded. The worst thing you can do right now is buy expensive gas generators, lock into long-term contracts, and compress your budget even more while grinding your finances into dust. That's going to accelerate your debt crisis and destroy your family's future. If you pull the connection apart and capture this wasted energy instead, it results in completely bill-free living starting immediately. The method I'm revealing reduces all stress on your wallet so it can naturally recover, eliminates your dependency forever, and makes your life incredibly easier because you'll never fear another power bill again. The first thing you need is this simple blueprint, and I'll put the link in my bio right now. I promote this specific system because it works, but I don't care where you get the basic parts. You can grab them at any hardware store for under $50. The important thing is getting this exact power loop schematic that's the required setup to redirect massive energy back to your home. What you'll do is install the system exactly like I show you. You sit back and watch your meter completely stop spinning. If you don't have a big budget right now, grab scrap parts from anywhere, it still works perfectly. This is not some complicated solar setup, but rather a simple energy capture system that works automatically. How often does this method work? Every single day, 24/7, 365 days per year. How much money do you save? Thousands and thousands of dollars every year, guaranteed. The crazy thing is, this feels absolutely incredible. I've had students follow this blueprint for just 1 week. They look at their next bill showing $0 and feel completely fantastic, like they just won the lottery. It's absolutely amazing. It's like a crushing weight was lifted off their shoulders. All that financial pressure just disappeared from their lives forever. For people suffering from severe bill anxiety, you can build this in about 1 weekend and watch the utility company wonder where the hell you went. You just keep running it and laughing at your neighbor's massive bills. The beautiful thing is, other than the tiny cost of basic parts, you never pay the grid bloodsuckers again. You're generating unlimited power at home every single day starting this weekend. Click the link in my bio to get this forbidden blueprint right now.